Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Nihal. Now let's understand one of the most common interview question. What is Web API? A Web API is an interface that allows different applications to communicate with each other over HTTP. In simple words, Web API helps one application send request to the another application and receive response back, usually in JSON format. You can think of it as a bridge between the front end and the backend system. For example, a mobile app, Angular application, React application, or any other system can send a request to the Web API. Then the Web API processes that request, communicate with the database or the business logic, and finally returns the response to the client. Now let's understand this with a very simple restaurant example as shown in the diagram. Imagine you are sitting in the restaurant as a customer. You do not directly go into the kitchen to prepare food. Instead of, you give your order to the waiter. Here, customer represents the front end or client application. Waiter represents the web API. Kitchen represents the backend server or database. First, the customer places an order. Then the waiter takes that request to the kitchen. Kitchen prepares the food and sends it back to the waiter. Finally, the waiter delivers the response back to the customer. Exactly the same thing happens in a web API communication. The client application never directly communicates with the database. Everything goes through the API layer. One important point to remember for interview question, web APIs are lightweight, platform independent, and mainly use HTTP protocol like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. And nowadays, RESTful web API are widely used in a modern application because they are fast, scalable, and easy to integrate with the web, mobile, and cloud application. So this is the basic understanding of what is web API. Now let's move to the next important interview question. Thank you.